Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Optimum Nutrition vs Naturaltein, which is better. Focus on protein quality, taste, ingredient transparency, and value per serving when choosing. Start by checking your dietary goals, allergies, and budget so you can filter options quickly. Consider flavor preferences and mixability if you plan shakes daily. Track protein per serving and added sugars to match your workout and recovery needs effectively. Compare protein sources by looking at amino acid profiles and digestibility for your goals and sensitivities. Whey typically offers faster absorption and higher leucine for muscle recovery, while plant blends provide fiber and fewer animal products. If amino acid completeness matters, check if plant formulas are fortified or combined to mimic whey profiles. Use this info to choose the best protein for strength, endurance, or daily nutrition needs. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and hit like so I can make more helpful comparisons. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for upbeat workout playlists while you mix protein shakes. It pairs easily and sounds great in small kitchens or home gyms. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Assess taste by sampling single-serve packets or reading flavor-focused reviews from trusted sources. Calculate price per serving including scoop size and how many servings per container to compare real value. Look for third-party testing and clear labels to ensure quality and safety. Finally, factor in diet fit and whether the product supports your lifestyle, such as dairy-free needs or low-sugar goals, before deciding on a favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.